Hello, 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 all my wonderful friends. It is Teresa with Critters Crochet, and today is Thursday, December 11th, and it's time for the 11th day of the 12 Days of Christmas collab that I'm doing with Shannon at the Spoony Stitcher. Make sure you go over after you've watched my video, go watch Shannon's and see what I got her for her 11th day. We both have a playlist called the 12 Days of Christmas collab. And so if you've missed any of these, you can go back and look at the playlist and see what all we gave to one another. But it's really fun. Shannon is shouting out, we're both shouting out a channel each day. We're opening up a gift each day for 12 days. And we are also giving out recipes, gift ideas. Um, Shannon's talking about her favorite Christmas movies, different things like that. So, let's get started with this one with day 11. And I love it. Every one of these, Shannon has put in a little clue, and I can flip this up and read it and try to guess what's in there before I open it. So let's see what this clue is. Those pesky ends. Tapestry needles. Kind of what I'm thinking. Weaving in ends. I love to crochet, but that is my worst, probably the worst thing about crochet is having to weave in. If I can do a project where I don't have to weave in a ton of ends, I'm a much happier camper. So let's see if they're tapestry, but it's a square, so I don't know if it may be a container of a bunch of needles, which would be perfect because I'm constantly losing my needles. But I am very thankful for, where did I put it? Shannon's going to shoot me if I don't know where this is. I just had it right here. Oh gosh, y'all. Here we go again. It's probably over here with all my other stuff. I'll have to get it out later. But Shannon got me the neatest little thing, little magnet. Let me see if I put it in here. It's probably in my container over here. I'm not going to get it out. But she gave me the cutest little magnet on one of the days that I can put my needle right there and it never gets lost. It's right there. So let's see what's in here. Oh, we got a little white box. Make sure, because the other day, I missed something. Okay, nothing else in there. She did tell me that day 12 has two things, so I gotta make sure I don't mess that out. What is this? What? Shannon, I was eyeballing this and you knew it. Oh my word, she was showing this on her channel. This is a cutter. Look, there's little blades right in here. This is a little cutter. She was showing this on her channel, and I about flipped out when I saw it, and I thought, I need one of these. There's a little stand. It sits right here in this little stand. Oh my word. And so when you're ready, when you need to cut an end off of some yarn, I'll just show you with this. I had some of this black yarn. When you get ready to cut your yarn, all you have to do is lay it on here. This sits on the table. Oh, I wish I could set it somewhere. Anyway, this sits, just pretend like it's on a table. You put your yarn on there, and then I'm gonna put it right here on my chest. So y'all can see what I'm doing. But you put it down, and then you just pop, and it cuts your yarn. Shannon, I cannot believe you. That is amazing, and I am so glad you sent this to me. Oh my word, I love it. So there's like, look, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there's 5 different places. So no matter where you set it, you have a place where you can cut your yarn. And if you're like me, if I misplace my scissors, how in the world do you misplace something this big? I'm not going to say any more about that because I don't want to jinx it. But anyway, is that not gorgeous and so pretty? Oh my word, I love it. Thank you, Shannon. Thank you so much. So that was day 11. So then once I do open it up, then we have this, and I get to read what's underneath the little tab. And she said, "This has a story. It's not twice sheared sheep, it's a knockoff because they still will not put it in their shop. Hope it works." Huh, wonder why they won't put it in there. Anyway, I almost thought twice sheared sheep, but they always label everything with their logo and it wasn't on here, so I didn't think it was. But look at this, it's also got these little feet on the bottom that are to keep it from slipping and sliding, which is great because you don't want to cut and go whoop and everything go flying. So that's really awesome that they put a no skid on the bottom to keep it stable. So that's great. Thank you so much for this, Shannon. That is awesome. I'm going to love using that. So today's shout out, I want to shout out Lexi from Helix Stitchcraft. She is awesome. She has done Battle of the Stitches with us a couple of times. The things that she makes are unreal, and like her shawls are just beautiful. Um, and the speed that she crochet, the amount of time she whips out stuff faster than I've ever seen. She is doing she shows a lot of yarn that she gets from thrifts and stitches, I think is the channel, and hand dyed yarn. She loves those, and her crocheting is gorgeous. So if you have not checked out Lexi from Helix Stitchcraft, go check her out. I will have her channel linked in the description box below. And like I said yesterday, today, Thursday, today, and Friday, I'm going to share another two more crock pot recipes because of this being such a busy time of the year. If you can just throw something in a crock pot and let it cook all day, wonderful. So mine today is a Mississippi roast. If you love roast, you will love this roast. Now I'm looking at the recipe so I don't miss anything. But you get you about a 4 to 5 pound roast and put it in your crock pot. All right. Then you take a packet of dry ranch dressing mix and sprinkle it over the top, and a packet of gravy mix. Whatever flavor you want. You can use brown gravy, au jus, chicken, whatever flavor gravy, white, whatever. You just take that out. I like using the brown gravy, is my favorite. But I pull that out and I sprinkle that over the top. Then you take 1 stick of butter and don't cut it or anything, just lay the stick of butter on top of the roast. And then you get 5 or 10 of those pepperoncini peppers, pepperoncini. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. But you take those peppers and lay those on the top. And it doesn't say this in the recipe, but I like to take a little bit of the juice from the jars of peppers and just pour a little bit of juice in there too. Really flavors it. But you just put all of that in there, put the lid on it, and cook it on low for about 8 to 10 hours. Guys, you will have the most tender, most flavorful pot roast you have ever eaten in your life. So that's my recipe for today. Um, and yeah, I'm so excited. Remember, tomorrow will be the last day for our 12 days of Christmas. I'm so sad. And we will also, tomorrow will also be our Shannon and I at the Spoony Stitcher. We will be going live at 8 p.m. Central, 9 Eastern, and you can watch it on either my channel or Shannon's. We figured out how to stream on both channels at the same time. Yay. So you can watch it on either one of our channels, but Shannon and I will be live Friday night for our Film to Fiber, where we will reveal the project that we made that inspired us from the movie White Christmas. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to show you guys what I made. I think it's my most favorite of any of them that we've done this year. I cannot wait. So make sure that you tune in. We should have something posted up so that you can hit the notification and be notified. So make sure you watch that tomorrow night, Friday night, December 12th, 8 p.m. Central, 9 Eastern. And yeah, we'll see what next week holds. I know that we will be continuing with Battle of the Stitches. And we'll just see what else pops up. So I will talk to you guys later, and stay tuned tomorrow. I'm not going to do it on this video, but tomorrow's video, I have some happy mail that I'm going to open up after I open my 12th day gift. I have some happy mail I'm going to open up and share with you guys. So I hope to see you again tomorrow for that video. If you're new to Critters Crochet, I hope you like what you're watching. Hit that like button, leave a comment. That helps the algorithm to boost. And also make sure you hit that subscribe button and share this channel out to all of your friends and let them know about Critters Crochet. We have 2 awesome crochet alongs that are going to start in January here on Critters Crochet. We are going to have a crochet along for all of my subscribers. And then I'm also going to be doing a crochet along with my members only. So make sure you check those out, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Have a great day, guys. Bye.